Who doesn't want an automated home? Well, you're about to see all the inventions and discoveries that are taking homes into the future. InSolRoll offers an innovative solution to control windows and openings at the touch of a button. Their automated system offers convenience and efficiency, although manual alternatives are available for those who prefer a more traditional method. InSolRoll blinds are available in a variety of materials to meet different needs. You can choose from options that combine 27% polyester and 73% PVC, as well as models made of PVC-coated acrylic fibers or polyester coated with vinyl. Pretty neat, huh? This variety allows you to find the perfect option based on the specific features you're looking for. Designed to withstand sun exposure and moisture, InSolRoll blinds are not only durable against weather conditions, but also robust against unexpected impacts. For example, if you play golf nearby, you can do so with peace of mind, as these blinds are designed to withstand fairly heavy impacts without compromising their integrity. The Pyramid heater features a unique and functional design that stands out not only for its distinctive appearance, but also for its efficient heating capabilities. This innovative unit uses real propane to generate heat, not animation, creating a heating area that spans 15 feet in diameter with 360-degree coverage around the unit. Built with a sturdy steel frame and weighing 48 pounds, the Pyramid is designed to withstand adverse conditions, including high winds. But if we're talking about innovation, then it's time for you to listen closely, because its solid structure ensures that if it tips over, the propane supply is automatically cut off, providing an added layer of safety. The heater is made of aluminum, which makes it resistant to corrosion and minor physical damage, ensuring a long life. With an initial cost of $233, the Pyramid offers low maintenance costs, although it's important to remember that propane cylinders need to be refilled regularly. Adacto by ADAO is redefining furniture with its innovative collection of interchangeable and stackable modules. These pieces of furniture don't have a specific purpose, but offer endless possibilities for configuring and customizing your space according to your needs and preferences. The Adacto collection includes a variety of components, such as doors, shelves, and walls, that are assembled using a simple locking mechanism. This allows for quick and easy configuration, adapting to different uses and styles. Amazing, revolutionary, call it what you want, but that's not the only thing that makes Adacto a great product. Each module can be used independently to create small storage spaces or combined to create larger solutions. In addition to its flexibility, Adacto stands out for its commitment to the environment. All elements are made of formaldehyde-free plywood, ensuring an environmentally friendly and safe product for your home. The Solaris Kit offers an innovative solution for heating water without electricity, using solar energy efficiently. This pyramid-shaped device heats water as it passes through an internal tube, using sunlight to gradually raise its temperature. Once heated, the water returns to the pool or its original location, ensuring you can enjoy hot water even in areas with little sunlight. Tests have shown the effectiveness of the Solaris Kit. The heat exchanger inside the Pyramid reached temperatures of up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, while the ambient temperature was only 39 degrees Fahrenheit. Isn't that amazing? A true evolution in the way temperature changes are handled. This performance shows that the Solaris Kit can work effectively in low light conditions. In addition to its functionality, the Solaris Kit is also aesthetically pleasing. Unlike other solutions that can clash with the exterior of any home, this device blends in harmoniously with its surroundings, adding an elegant touch without compromising the aesthetics of any space. We've just scratched the surface, and the next home invention will show you revolutionary technology that seems straight out of the future. The Start Smart system offers a practical and effective solution to improve bathroom safety, especially for the little ones. Consisting of 2 support blocks and a bar, this device is easy to install without any complicated work or repairs. The blocks are simply mounted facing each other and the bars inserted into them, providing additional safety without disrupting or damaging your space. The safety bar has a comfortable non-slip grip with soft pads to prevent children's or other users' hands from slipping. Yes, it's handy, but even its corrosion-resistant construction ensures durability in the wet conditions of the bathroom. At $135, Smart Start is an affordable and effective way to improve the safety of your home. For a modest investment, it can make a significant contribution to the well-being and protection of the entire family. Having trouble lighting your wood stove? Here's the ideal solution. Many homes with wood-burning stoves have trouble lighting the fire and preventing smoke from filling the room. This problem is common in 1 in 4 of these homes. A simple and effective solution is a fireplace unit with a built-in fan. This basic unit provides the proper airflow for combustion, making it easier to light the fire and eliminating the need to open windows to prevent choking. The unit is easy to install and can be done independently. Simply place it in a brick or steel chimney up to 9 inches in diameter, connect it, and it's ready to use. You know what's even cooler? The unit is remotely controlled. So even in the event of a power outage, the smoke outlet will not be affected. The low resistance of the fan allows it to function as an extension of the chimney, ensuring a hassle-free heating experience. If you thought this was revolutionary, wait until you see the next must-have home gadget that takes technology to unexpected extremes. Imagine a workspace where elegance meets functionality in surprising ways. That's exactly what Modus offers. A desk that seems perfectly designed to optimize every corner of your environment. Element One technology, while it hasn't yet adopted the slogan "elegant and functional space efficiency," embodies this concept perfectly. With the touch of a button, the sleek desk reveals a pop-up screen and a hidden keyboard that slides smoothly outward. It's something that would impress anyone. But if you think you're tough to impress, we've got a challenge for you. This clever design transforms a compact space into a complete workstation for any computer, ensuring you have everything you need within reach. When not in use, the keyboard retracts discreetly and the display slides over it, keeping the area tidy and uncluttered. Modus is surprisingly quiet, thanks to stepper motor technology that provides smooth and quiet motion. Gamers often require more storage and space for their accessories, so it would be wise to look for alternatives that offer more functionality in this area. On a hot day, ProShade is the perfect ally to keep you cool and comfortable. This innovative umbrella is designed to provide reliable shade from the sun, with a base that can be filled with sand, water, or wet sand to ensure optimal stability, eliminating the need to anchor it to the ground. Setting up the umbrella is a simple, stress-free process, allowing you to enjoy your time outdoors without complications. In addition, the umbrella fabric is treated with a 100% acrylic solution to ensure it won't discolor or stain over time. But if that's not enough for you, listen to this. The aluminum frame offers exceptional durability and minimal maintenance. ProShade also stands out for its ease of use. The umbrella rotates smoothly 360 degrees and allows for easy tilt adjustment to adapt to the position of the sun. For those seeking an even more luxurious experience, some models include built-in lighting. Starting at $1,200 and going up to $1,700 for the most advanced version, ProShade is an investment in comfort and style. It's the perfect accessory to enjoy summer with peace of mind. Necton R takes home theater to a new level of excitement and sophistication. This innovative system transforms the simple act of turning on a home theater into a fascinating and entertaining experience. With a touch of a button on a conventional piece of furniture, a screen and projector are instantly activated and fully deployed in seconds. The speed of the process is so captivating that you'll find it hard to resist pressing the button again to watch this impressive demonstration. Necton R offers a wide range of models that, while maintaining the same deployment principle, come in a variety of colors, shapes, and materials. This variety allows users to choose a design that best fits their style and decor, making each home theater experience unique and personal. That's it. But if you're curious to see how far the world has come, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.